Hello and welcome back to another video of SQL Payroll. Today, I'm going to show on how to send Payslip using email. Before we dive in, make sure to set up the email application such as Microsoft Outlook and so on. First click on Open Payroll. Here, you can see that I've already processed the payroll for this month. Click on it. Click on Print Payslip. In here, I want to send Bob's his payslip, so I select here an employee, his name, Bob. Click on Apply. Here you can see, I already applied for Bob's pay here. Let's preview the payslip. Click on Preview here. Now, I'm going to send his payslip using email. Click on the export icon here. Click on Export to Email Client.
Now in here, we select PDF. To be reminded, you must set a default email application in your computer such as Microsoft Outlook. Here I'm going to use Microsoft Outlook to send the email to Bob for his payslip. Fill in the email details such as Bob's email and the subject. After done, click on the Send button. Next, let's cut off the repetitive steps. To do this, you need to set each individual email. Also to mention here, you can add in a password by putting a code here. This is a feature where when you send the payslip PDF file, it has already have password on which you already set. Another is that you can put multiple email for an employee, here by putting a comma between the email. Remember, when doing this, there must have no space between the comma. Here's an example when doing this. So now let's do the sending email to employee by employee. First click on Open Payroll, select the payroll, click on Print Payslip. In here, I want to send all my employee their payslip. Click on Apply and all your employee will be displayed here. Click on Preview and select the first report. In here, click on the Export button here on the top left. Next, click on Export to Email Client Batch. Now we wait for the system to help send the email. Do take note that Email Client Batch is an additional module. That's all for this video, thank you.